Yo, what's cracking YouTube? Once again, it's your boy Q the Flea, Q the Influencer. We back up in this thing with another video, man. Yo, we back, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the On Feed review. Last video on these guys right here, man. Had a lot of fun doing that. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep that fire. We're going to keep that heat coming, man. Of course, as always, if you're new to this channel, make sure you stop real quick. Go ahead, hit your boy. Hit that, subscribe button for your boy. Hit that like button and holler at your boy in the comment sections, man. We got a lot to cover today. We got a lot to talk about, man. Yo, so today I'm gonna be doing something that, I probably don't do enough. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing this sneaker thing, been doing this fashion thing, this culture thing for a long time, man. And it's about time that I give y'all a little bit more than the sneaker reviews, man. We're gonna talk about, what's happening, with the sneaker, culture. We got a lot of information happening, a couple of shock drops happened today, man. You know what I'm saying? I just want to give y'all my thoughts, my opinion, my views on what's happening out here in the culture, man. So, it's all good. Come rock with your boy. You probably gonna learn something you didn't know. You know what I'm saying? And let's get it cracking. Gang. Yeah, so, man, hey, those are OG Adidas Yeezy Wave Runners. The 700s, they definitely did drop today, man, which is crazy because I believe those things were scheduled to release August 17th. You know what I'm saying? But as Adidas and Yeezy Supply been doing it, lately, man, trying to spice things up, and shock drop things, they actually end up dropping those things today. It was crazy, man, because those are definitely a pair that I got rid of. Anticipation of, just getting a fresh pair. And it should be easy. I mean, resale prices are around $400. So, I mean, that's okay. I'll be able to get a new pair. But, it's crazy, man, because, they definitely did come in the infant and the grade school sizes. Well, the super youth sizes this time around. So, I know a lot of people, the baby mamas, the super teen little feet out there have definitely been waiting on that shoe, man. And today they got a pair to get it. Ain't nothing much to talk about there. You know what I'm saying? Probably the best Yeezy that hasn't been the 750 and it hasn't been the overly produced, overtied 350s to come out, thus far. But make no mistake about it, I am looking forward to. I know it's a lot of hate, on those magma joints. I'll put the picture somewhere. But I am looking forward to those things. I think those are probably going to be the second best Yeezy 700 V1 colorway to release. My words, your boy definitely will be putting those in the collection. The fire on feet definitely going to come with those. You know what I'm saying? But, that's it for the 700, man. Did you cop? Did you not cop? You know what I'm saying? Like, holla at your boy. Let me know, what happened with that release this morning. From what I saw a few people get through, but surprisingly, I saw a lot of people take L's, man. So y'all let me know how y'all did in that comment section. Moving right along. Next, we got those Cactus plant flea market, blazing mid things, man, that just kind of really popped up out of nowhere, man. And I will say, those are going to be a problem. Nike is doing probably is orchestrating, rumored to orchestrate that release through the Nike by You program that they doing, where, they're collaborating with these high-end, retail, designers and things of that nature. Some of the, kind of lower models that they got, like Vapor Max and stuff, but it's really kind of been used as of late to kind of filter in the custom options by the high-end designers that Nike is now collaborating with. They just did the one with Heron Preston with the 97s, with the 95 and the 270 Max or whatever the hell, which that was pretty cool. And now we get a second shot at making some dope, fire, just customize them to your specifications, courtesy of Cactus Plant Flea Market. And I must say, as a fan of the blazing model, we definitely got a couple of off-white things, a couple of regular blazers. Those are looking like a winner. If anybody watches my channel, I'm not afraid of color. I'm not afraid of color, the colorful, crazy, kind of color blockings and things of that nature. So I definitely will be checking for those. I think they are dope. And judging by, the people that have responded to my story on IG, if you're not following that, please do. You know what I'm saying? People are really looking forward to that one, man. So, those, there's no release information on those yet. But, as Cactus Plant Flea Market has, posted on their page today, and as people start to get hip to it, you can expect those to begin to roll out probably within the next few weeks. But yo, man, holla at your boy. How y'all feel about it? Let me know in the comment section. Next up, we got some official, kind of release information for the OffWhite Zone, the Zoom Vapor joints. You know what I'm saying? The follow-up to the Terracotta Off-White, model with the spikes on it that everybody liked so much, or didn't like because the resale prices aren't doing that well. But we got those coming up. I do like those a little better. They're saying the blue pair is going to be friends and family. You know what I'm saying? But, they cool. You know what I'm saying? I think the Off-White hype has pretty much died down a little bit, man. It's crazy to say. I mean, we'll jump right into it. We do got the dunks coming out. You know what I'm saying? We got images of the green pair and now this red pair, which if you look closer and you notice, you don't got that FL on the side, man. So, those is looking like those OG pairs, the Virgil tees. You know what I'm saying? Those are probably going to be friends and family, man. I really don't even see those releasing. And we probably finna get stuck with the Christmas pack, you know what I'm saying? The green and the red joint, which is, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But, it's all white. The people gonna hype out, go crazy, regardless, man. But, of course, those are rumored to release in October. Be on the lookout for those. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel about those. Moving right along. Yo, so we got release information for the black satin joints, the black toe satins, man. Room to come out, scheduled to release this Saturday. Yo, man, August 16th, I believe. August 17th, I believe. Yo, man, things are dope. It's a black toe. It's OG. People are gonna love it just off that simple strength, by itself. But of course, we got the now ever so hyped satin kind of feature added to it, man, which kind of began with the bread ones and then the royals, and then now it's just ridiculous. Even though with this particular pair, man, mistake me if I'm wrong, man, this shit look like a satin corduroy in the black, man, and it's really only that back panel. It seemed like every satin release, Jordan 1 release, they getting further and further away from actually using the satin material. But the hype is always gonna be there, and it looks like it's even rumored to even be releasing at even less stores than that of the shattered backboard, which was the last big time Saturn super hype shoe release, man. So if you really want those, you're gonna have to be on it. Get on your Foot Locker, your Foot Action, you know what I'm saying, your Champs apps, man, and really make that happen. Go ahead, get your codes, go ahead, sign in for them, because those are definitely gonna be a problem, because the resellers gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? Prices are probably going for like $400, $500, $600 right now. It's gonna be nuts, man. But I don't care. I wear size 13. I can't get a pair for me anyway. Maybe I get a pair to review for you guys. But Team Big Feet, we ain't pressed.
Boy, if you don't
let these shorties get that shoe, man. I actually see hella shorties out here rocking the shattered backboard ones, man. It's hella dope to see, them get their hands on shoes that were intended for them. Fellas, I know it's dope, but let shorty get their hands on the shoes, man. Shorty's gotta, we gotta make sure these feet fly too. You know what I'm saying? Make their feet fly too, man. They can be great. Let these shorties be great. All right, man. Let's get Travis Lowe's, man. So those were rumored to be releasing, this weekend too, man. But if you notice, we ain't got no new information. You know what I'm saying? We got no new information on those things. Nowhere. I got some reliable, store sources, boutiques, friends that work at boutiques, man, that just basically, let your boy know, man, like, yo, they hit your boy up on the plug like, Q, them shits are not dropping, bro. Take that post down. It's all cap. And I'm like, show you right. So I'm letting y'all know. It's all cap. You know what I'm saying? I know what you heard, whatever sneaker blogs, YouTube, whoever. You know what I'm saying? But those joints are not coming out, man. I'm telling you, my sources are credible. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I do this. So if you were looking for those Travis Lowe's, get them off StockX or GOAT right now while they up there for the low. If that's even realistic. You know what I'm saying? Because they're not coming out again. Travis Scott wasn't. Oh, my bad. Yeah, so Trav ain't playing, y'all. He ain't playing. Next, we got a new offering from Reebok AI. my boy Ray Polanco, he posted a fire, fit pic today, man. You know what I'm saying? Highlighting the Reebok Answer 5s, man. Really dope sneaker, man. Your boy definitely got a couple of pairs of Iversons hanging around here somewhere. It's real good and real dope, you know what I'm saying? He was to see, Reebok and AI make that, strong resurgence in the sneaker community. They were definitely out at Complex Con, man. Had that dope collab with, Emmanuel. I'll put it somewhere in the video. But at Complex Con, it's definitely dope, man. So, shout out to AI, man. Shout out to AI. Very dope pair of sneakers. I might look into those. You can catch those at your local villas, DTLRs, and of course Reebok.com. Pretty dope, pretty fire sneaker. Next, we got that young Nice Kicks 50th anniversary Adidas Ultra Boost. Of course, in that dope tie-dye colorway. You know what I'm saying? This shoe, I don't know what it is with this day and time. But we definitely got the tie-dye joints going crazy. Everything's about tie-dye now. From every, half of Travis Scott's like, a tour concert merch, what I'm saying, to everybody got a tie-dye tee out here. It's real, it's crazy, man. But yet again, we got another tie-dye sneaker. But for some reason, I feel like these were done right. And I really like the tie-dye cut pattern on these joints right here. Frank Cooker has definitely been, kind of leaking pictures of these for a couple of weeks now. Of course, no one knew what they were. Now we do. Nice Kicks celebrating their 50th anniversary. Be sure to tune in to your local consortium sneaker accounts. Of course, Nice Kicks. And that should be a fun one. That should be a dope one. Probably similar to the Bang, if you remember that Nice Kicks red tie-dye joint from a couple of years back. You know what I'm saying? They keeping that tie-dye theme alive. You know what I'm saying? Dope. And last but not least, man, I definitely want to bring to the forefront, something dope that happened today, man. So I think it was J23, app that reported that Nike now has this program in which they're going to allow the shorties, for a small premium a month to trade in their old sneakers and get a new sneaker, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how that's going to work. I'm going to put some information in the bio so y'all can go ahead, click on that and find that. But, just a really dope, to bring a program like that where you get the moms an opportunity to make sure that they keep their short, the moms and the dads, an opportunity to make sure that they keep their shorty fresh. You know what I'm saying? Some fresh kicks. As we know, kids go through shoes like it ain't nothing. For a small, low, I think it's like $20 a month, premium. Now that is pretty awesome, man. Shout out to Nike for doing that, man. I think this is gonna start a wave where we get more, brands like Adidas, Puma, Reebok following suit, man. Nike, they the leaders of the pack, man. They lead these types of initiatives. You kind of see it, in the new, kind of initiatives. If you live in big cities like in New York or Chicago or LA, where you see Jordan brand stores and Nikes and Adidas kind of in different boutiques hosting more community-based events, man. These brands are shifting to, a space where, it's just as much about the community and the people in the field as it is about the actual sneaker. We ain't all the way there, but as we're building this new world, this inclusive world and this inclusive culture, I think brands like Nike is leading the pack and taking a good step in the right direction, man. So y'all let me know in my comment box, man, how y'all feel about Nike, kind of making things lit for the shorties, man, and making things more affordable for parents out there that's trying to keep their kids fresh. You know what I'm saying? And should more brands like Adidas, Puma, Reebok, should they step in and create their own versions of that, man? I want to hear y'all thoughts in my comment section about that. But of course, as always, man, it's been good rocking with y'all. It's your boy Q the Flea, Q the Influencer. Yo, how y'all like the new space, man? You know what I'm saying? Clean, man, I want to hear about this too, man. We cleaned it up for y'all. Got some new things popping. We gonna keep the fire coming. Y'all already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago.